Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna help you fix the annoying "please connect to a Wi-Fi network to download" error on Real Racing 3. Even if you're already connected to internet, this message can stop you from playing. So let's fix it step by step. So you want to go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi only download restrictions. Real Racing 3 often restricts large download to Wi-Fi only. To bypass this, you want to go ahead and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network first, and then launch the Real Racing 3 and then let it download required files. Once download start, you can switch to mobile data if needed. Some device prevents game download on mobile data to avoid excess charges. So if you're already on Wi-Fi and still see the error, you want to turn on your airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. After that, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and then try launching the game again. This resets your network modules and often fixes app network detection error. So, if your Wi-Fi isn't working, turn on your hotspot from a second phone and connect your main device to the hotspot. Open Real Racing 3 and it should detect the connection and let you proceed. This trick often bypasses the Wi-Fi only check. If nothing works, you want to go ahead and long press on Real Racing 3, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, and then tap on Delete again. So once you have deleted this application, you want to visit the App Store again and then reinstall from there. Make sure to back up your progress to Google Play or Game Center before reinstalling. So that's it guys, you should now be able to download and play Real Racing 3 without the Wi-Fi error. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.